What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Suda back again with another video, and video on sugar fucking wax. Y'all been waiting for this. I know y'all been asking me to make y'all some. So first thing I wanted to do is I wanted to just do it yourself first and then see if y'all could do it. And then if y'all can't do it, then hey, I will start selling them for y'all. You feel me? But I want it to be like a DIY first so y'all could do it yourself. And then y'all can see how that goes. So it could be fun, experiment, no quarantine type thing, you know? So first things first, I'm gonna name the ingredients. I need some sugar, I need water, and I need lemon. So the greatest thing about having a big ass backyard with hella fruit trees and fucking gardens and whatnot. My dad, he be having gardens and stuff. So I have a whole orange tree. Ooh, I have an orange tree over there, and then I have a lemon tree right here. And this is my grapevine that we're trying to get together. So with that being said, I'm gonna try to shake some lemons off this tree to get some fresh lemons so I can make this sugar wax for y'all. So with that being said, I'm gonna get right into it, and y'all finna see me shake this motherfucker.
That's the tree, right? Yeah.
Doesn't work like that. Hey guys. Epic fail. So I'm about to find something. And I just realized what I said. It's not called a shovel, it's called a shovel. Shovel. Got it. Alright, so I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna smack that bitch down. Look at this lemon. Yes. I think I need another one though. Got another one. I'm gonna get one more just to be safe.
Yes. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to put this back and put my phone up. Yeah. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to put the shovel back, and I'm about to take those lemons in the house, rinse them off, get some water, get some sugar, and then I'm gonna see y'all in the house.
As y'all can see, I'm squeezing those fresh lemons from my tree using a lemon squeezer. And then after that, I'm just gonna show y'all all these ingredients that I have, which is graduated sugar. I have my fresh lemon juice in a bowl, and then I have my water, which is in a measuring cup. And no, I don't have the exact measures of each ingredient. I think I used 2 cups of sugar though, no lie. And those little black things that's inside the sugar, those are probably coffee droplets or something. I'm not sure, but it wouldn't hurt. And the water, I think I used one cup of water, I think. I'm not really sure. So here I am stirring it all together in a pot, making sure that the sugar is like dissolved inside of both ingredients, which is the lemon inside in the water. So I'm making sure that the sugar is dissolved. Don't mind the seeds won't hurt. And then after that, you are going to bring this ingredient 3-step ingredient into a boil. And then now that it's to a boil, I made this this part of the video in real time, so you can see how I'm stirring the sugar. It doesn't need to be fast, it doesn't need to be slow, it needs to be at a regular pace, I guess. So you're just stirring in a circular motion, that way it won't get stuck to the pan or you won't burn it. You want to make sure you constantly stir the pan or the sugar wax. You want to make sure you constantly do it, because if you don't, then you're gonna be assed out, and you're gonna be mad. Also, just letting y'all know, if you have a temperature or like a thermometer, use that, because it's gonna help you a lot. What I'm doing, I'm just guessing, like I'm just eyeballing the temperature, just making sure that the sugar is brown. So yeah. Proof that this shit fucking work. Wait, focus. Proof, bro. This shit fucking work. Alright. So look, I'm about to just show y'all how this hard wax work. I wanted to do the hard wax because the soft wax is difficult for me, so I'm finna just show y'all what this hard wax do. And I'm gonna tell y'all it gets hot, so y'all gonna see me blow on a stick periodically throughout this video. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cleansing the area that I'm finna be waxing. Y'all can't really see my hairs, but baby, I got hair. I'm telling you, I got hair. So I want to let that dry first. And then after that, I want to take another circle wrap or swab thing and add some powder so it can be dry. That way you can get all the excess oil or dirt, debris, or anything, just nasty stuff. You want to get all that away, and you wanted to make sure like the oil stick onto your hair. So y'all gonna see me applying all that baby powder onto my thick ass calves. Now y'all finna see me grab the hard wax and apply a stick into that wax. You see, applying a stick into the wax, and y'all gonna see me blow it. It is hella sticky and it is messy, so you really want to be careful, and you really want to know what you're doing when you're doing this. So I'm touching it to make sure that it's a good temperature for my skin, because it really get hot, especially when you make it soft again. It get hot. So y'all gonna see me applying it from the opposite way of my hair growth. The opposite. My hair grow down, so I'm applying it upward. And then I'm gonna try to use the stick. Y'all see how hard it is? This is real like hard wax. So y'all gonna see me apply the stick. Sometimes it gets stuck. Okay, that time I guess it didn't work. I felt it though, low key. Like, I think it got like 3 hairs. I ain't gonna lie. I think it got like 3 hairs. So I'm gonna do it again. And then the second time, y'all gonna really see me pull some hair. But y'all know me, I'm recycle. So what I did was I used the opposite side of the handle that I was using, and I'm gonna just apply some more onto that area. Hopefully it's still hot enough that it could grab onto some hair. Just letting y'all know that the wax do not have to be hot for you to get hair off of your skin, because soft wax, that soft wax has been sitting there for a cool minute, and it is soft, and y'all just see me hurt myself. So yeah, it is dangerous. It's tedious. It takes time. Like, them people at the European Wax Center or them professional waxers, they know exactly what they doing. Like, they do that in a matter of like seconds. Like, you be in and out, and when you do it yourself, girl, that's an all-day process. Like, especially a Brazilian wax. When you do your own Brazilian wax, let me tell you how long that took me. That took me about 3 hours. I was in the bathroom just sitting on the toilet for like 3 hours. People keep knocking on the door like, can I use the bathroom? No, I'm doing something. Like, go use the other bathroom because I'm busy. I'm trying to get all this hair gone. But I did get a good amount of hair off. of my area. And y'all gonna see me apply some more. I'm gonna try again. I think this time I tried to use the fabric strip. I'm even gonna tell you the story behind this fabric strip, but it's not even really a fabric strip. That's the funny part. Like, it's not a fabric strip. It's a pillowcase. It's dead ass a pillowcase. So don't mind that. So I thought it was really gonna work, but no, it's not gonna work because I guess fabric strips are only for soft wax. So I tried it, thinking I know what I'm doing. No, honey, still on there. That's what I get for thinking I know what I was doing. That's exactly what I get. So I go back in with the stick I was using and I took some hair off. This time, y'all can see that red patch on my skin. Some hair actually came off. I tried to show y'all in a video, but I guess it didn't show. And I guess I didn't show y'all. So I fucking gave up. I did give up, and I just went to something else.